Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am up here with a new video on strength training and conditioning training. Hope you will enjoy it. Strength training is for those who have specific goals to build muscle, improve joint function and increase the overall endurance and physical conditioning. The exercise that you can see up on your screen is short subtle run. It helps you in building explosive power, agility and endurance. It is also an ideal exercise drill that you can add up to your daily training routine. Back running helps you in building muscles. It helps you to improve your sport performance, promotes balance and further helps you with quick change of direction. The next exercise is L drill. It is very helpful for football players and basketball players. It helps you to work on agility, body control and gives you ability to change directions and gives you quickness. This kind of shuttle exercise is a cardiovascular exercise that primarily targets the quads and to a lesser degree also target the calf muscles, the hamstrings and the outer thighs. Cones are used to provide directions during agility drills. They enhance change of direction, coordination and body awareness. Cone drills can be used as a part of dynamic warm-up in your daily routine. Most athletes train themselves with cones because it increases their overall agility. Moving quickly between the cones boosts the speed of your lateral movements, allowing you to change the direction faster. Cone workout provide a lot of result in much less time than other type of exercises.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Front rolls gives you a great bilateral coordination activity. Bilateral coordination is when both sides of the body are working together to accomplish a task.
I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals.
Hand working is excellent for shoulder, triceps, and overall upper body strength. This also helps you in building up your shoulder stability. Moving yourself around using your hands and arms is a new training stimulus. Supported walking are activities that requires constant body correction and reflexive stability. This supported hand work exercise is an excellent way to work out on your core. Your shoulders and upper body is benefited by this. It also stretches out your legs and your lower back. This is a fairly advanced exercise. If you cannot hold a regular plank for a minute, you can do this exercise.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Front roll is a gymnastic movement in which the body is turned heels over head with the back of the neck resting on the ground. Front rolls, if done correctly, are an incredible full body and brain workout for all age groups. They also promote body awareness and control, which leads to an increased coordination of the body and the mind. Front roll along with push-up is a full body workout, as the push-ups helps you in strengthening your upper body. Duck work exercises are helpful in boosting stamina and immunity. They reduce scar tissue in calf muscles and keep us active for the entire day. Duck work make us more flexible by improving the movement of our hips, and they also help in reducing back pain and help to maintain a better body structure. Handstands works on your core and improve balance while giving you the benefits of increased circulation, lymph flow and breathing. It makes your upper body super strong, and moreover it also boosts your mood and regulate your metabolism.
Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect.
The crab walk works on your arms, shoulder, core, hamstrings and quads. It improves your body balance and posture. It strengthens your core, that is the spine, shoulder bones, pelvic and joints. It improves your body flexibility. It reduces your belly fat and makes your tummy tight. Also helps in improving your metabolism. This exercise helps you in improving your endurance, increases flexibility and establishes a balanced and a stable physical body structure. This valuable exercise offers positive benefits to your overall health and fitness level. If you regularly do these moves, it will help you to build power, coordination, and speed. The exercise monkey walk is named after an animal, and this exercise is taught in various defense training centers because it helps you in improving your speed, flexibility, endurance, and strengthens your whole body. Research has repeatedly found that high intensity training like side rolls is far more effective than lower intensity forms of exercise for burning fat and improving the cardiovascular fitness. This exercise is taught in various defense training centers because it helps you in fighting against enemy. This exercise supported one leg running helps you in increasing your speed. The exercise forward jumping squats increase your explosive power, improve upper lower body strength, and burn calories faster than regular squats. Explosive power gives you the ability to take off faster and move quicker, which athletes in football, tennis, and track and field strive for. Band side rolls relaxes and improves blood circulation to the whole body and stimulates kidney functions. It can help you to get relief from muscle tightness and inflammations and increase your joint range of motion. It is an effective tool that you can add up to your warm up or cool down before and after running exercises. Advanced forward jump is not only an excellent cardiovascular exercise, but it also helps to develop and improve lower body strength and power, as well as challenge dynamic stability and coordination. When done correctly, it will target your quads, hamstrings, calf muscles, and hip flexors. Side frog jumps are a great exercise for athletes to increase power and speed. It will work on your thighs and your entire lower body. This is a heart healthy exercise too, as your heart rate will increase quickly. Bringing your arms into this exercise will help you increase your blood flow and heart rate. This exercise can help you burn maximum calories within a couple of minutes, and it is also a polymetric exercise. The plank is an abdominal exercise that builds core strength and stability. By holding your body extended, you can work on a wide range of core muscles. Many experts now recommend planking over crunches since planks put less strain on your spine and hip flexors. Plus, a plank will tone your back, hamstrings, arms, and shoulders at the same time. Walking forward with your plank will strengthen your core as well as your upper and lower body muscle groups. While strength training mostly creates nervous system and muscular adaptations to get stronger, polymetric exercise will help you improve your explosiveness, your ability to generate maximum force in a minimum time. Polymetrics is an important component which is included in most professional runners' training schedule, as it focuses on speed, which is the component of power. Smart polymetric training will improve your speed and power, all while improving your coordination and agility too. With a smart and specific training plan, you can get faster when you sprint, jump higher during a basketball game, and change your directions quickly on the football field. Strength training and conditioning training helps you in improving your general health. It helps you build a long-term lifestyle, improves your sporting performance, build healthy bones, can prevent injury, improve overall posture, and raise your metabolism. Now you must have a question that when you should perform this conditioning exercises. At moderate levels of fitness, conditioning should be separated into different workouts if possible, but they can be done on the same day. If scheduling permits, conditioning workouts can be performed 4 to 6 hours after the lifting session, as this will help you in promoting your recovery. In our academy, we train you with various kinds of polymetric and conditioning training, which will help you in strengthening your calf muscles, quads and hamstrings, which further helps you to give your best in the various physical fitness tests if you are preparing for defense services. And also, if you are an athlete, it will help you to give your best in your track events. The strengthening exercise will help you to give your best in the chin-up test, which is very essential for recruitment in the Indian Army. Friends, now it's time for a motivation. आपने कभी बहती हुई नदी को ध्यान से देखा है? बड़ी ही तेजी के साथ अपने ओरिजिन पॉइंट से बहना शुरू करती है। शुरुआत से ही उसका लक्ष्य अपनी मंजिल जो कि सागर को प्राप्त करना होता है। रास्ते में हजारों बाधाएं आने पर भी वह लगातार बहती रहती है। भले ही कुछ जगहों पर उसकी रफ्तार कम हो जाए, लेकिन वह रुकती कभी नहीं है। अपनी सुरीली आवाज़ के साथ बढ़ती हुई नदी अपनी मंजिल की ओर लगातार बढ़ती रहती है और कैसे भी हो अपना लक्ष्य प्राप्त करती ही है। सोचो, यदि नदी बीच में ही बहना छोड़ दे तो क्या होगा? उसका पानी ठहर जाएगा और वह कुछ ही दिनों में सूख कर नष्ट हो जाएगी। दोस्तों, यही हमारी लाइफ में भी होता है। यदि सफल होने के लिए आप कोई लक्ष्य तय करते हो, तो उस लक्ष्य को पहुंचने की पहली शर्त यह है कि आपको लगातार अपने लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ते रहना है। यदि कहीं रुके तो असफलता निश्चित है। Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Jai Hind.